Hello, my name is Alice. I have been a chiropractic patient on and off for over 10 years, and I have had experienced various chiropractic practitioners and techniques. I am one of the first, if not the very first, patients of Dr. Sokolov's practice. And I consider myself lucky to have found him and experience the benefits of principal chiropractics firsthand. For many years, I had to suffer through chronic lower back pain that kept me away from being active in sports, and at times so severe that I was seriously considering spinal surgery. That technique of principal chiropractics and the hands of Dr. Sokolov put me back upright and weaned me off the pain medication that I had to take for many years for my back pain. If you, like I, tried a lot of things that didn't work, consider trying something that worked for me.